Notifications from apps can be disturbing and annoying. Not only does it drain battery and data, it also hinders the ease at which you operate your device. In this video, I'll teach you how to silence or even totally block notifications from apps that you don't use. You can even disable or uninstall some of these apps or select the particular notification that you want to receive. So, if you are watching this video and you've been experiencing total dissatisfaction from all these apps notifications, you are in the right place. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you have not done so. Alright, so as you can see from my screen, so many apps have been displaying and giving me notifications of things I need and things that I don't even want, and I totally hate it. Like, I don't even like to receive notifications at all. I prefer to set my apps, like the particular ones I want the notifications, I set it by myself. So how can you do this for yourself? So you're going to go on to that particular app that usually disturbs you with their notifications. Just hold it, like touch the app and hold it, don't release it. When you hold it, you see these two things, app info and send to desktop. You're going to click on app info, and when you click on app info, you see different settings that you can set on the app. So I'm going to click on notifications, and you see allow notifications. You are going to turn it off, and now this particular app, I will not receive any form of notification from it. But another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disable this app. I cannot uninstall it because it's a system app. That means it came with the device itself. It's not me that downloaded it from the Google Play Store. So I'll just disable it. Then I'll go to another app. Like, I have so many of these apps on my phone, but some of them I reinstalled them because of this video. Scooper News is one of those very, very annoying apps that can give you plenty notifications. So I'm just going to show you something. Now you can just select the ones that you want to have, and the ones that you don't want to have. That's one good thing about it. So, but for me, I'm going to just totally off it. I'm not just only going to off it, I'm going to uninstall this app because I don't even use it. Like, for nothing, I don't use it. You may be using it. If you are using the app, you can leave it, but for me, this particular app has no relevance on my phone. So I'm going to do what? Uninstall it. So I'll just go over some other apps and either off the notification totally or select. I'll just read through the information that is there and select the ones that I feel that are relevant to me, and then use them to work. For Facebook now, if you go to notification, you can allow notification by clicking by offering it up there. You can select how you want to receive, maybe pages you follow, pages that you handle, or even your personal account. Or even if you don't want the notifications to be appearing as banners on your screen, you have the control over all of these things. So don't let your phone control you, because these notifications, they can be distracting. Imagine you are in a meeting and you just put on your data, all you are seeing pam 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 pam. It will distract not only you but even others and make you embarrassed in that kind of meeting. So don't sleep on this. Handle your phone. There was someone that I wanted to transfer something to her phone. Her phone started hanging. Why? Because there were many notifications coming from different apps. Like, she doesn't even know how to handle it. She felt frustrated. I told her, don't worry, I'm here to help you. And guess what I did? I asked her, do you need this app? She said no. Do you need this app? She said no. I said okay. I didn't uninstall the apps because she might need it tomorrow. I only silenced and blocked off all notifications from those apps that she did not want to receive notifications for. So you can do it yourself. That's why I'm teaching you this video. Just hold your app, whatever app it is, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Spotify, YouTube, whatever app. Just note that there are some you can uninstall and there are some you can do what? Disable, because there are system apps, they came with the phone, you cannot uninstall them. So for those that you can handle, just hold the app. When you hold it, the app will just get info to you, and you just click on app info, and do what and handle it. So alternatively, you can go to your settings and go to app management. When you go to app management, you can select each app one by one and do what and edit whatever you want to edit, and set your apps to fit your kind of person, so that your phone, you will enjoy using your phone at any time you want to use it. So that also, when your favorite programs are on, you can get notification for those ones instead of getting notifications for the programs that you do not use. For instance, there are some channels I follow on Spotify, so I would not totally block off all notifications from it, even for BBC Learn English. So I hope this video helps you to manage your phone apps and enjoy using your phone without disturbing notifications every other time. So if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly like it, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't bite. Okay, so I'll see you some other time. Don't forget to check back on Thursday for a new video, because I post my videos every Monday and Thursday on this channel. Every Monday and Thursday, you're sure to get a new video by God's grace. So don't forget to like, comment. Yes, comment. Tell me if this video helped you or if you learned anything. And also, don't forget to share to your friends that might need this information. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.